Something that I realized that I need for my Nintendo Switch 2 was the moment that I used this console with somebody that you wanted to play together, a co-op game or something. If you wanted to use the Joy-Cons like this, you're actually gonna get into trouble, because if you have a mid-size or big hands, over time when you play, you're going to have a fatigue on your hands because it's so small still on the Switch 2. Of course, compared to Switch 1, much bigger, but still with the long sections will hurt your hand. Now, I'm bringing today's video sponsored by FASTSNAIL. They actually sent this right here, this product for us to test, and which actually you can use it and put it in conjunction with the Joy-Con on Switch 2 and also Switch 1, which actually testing this product really changed the comfortable how it is to use that. Instead of use just the Joy-Con that come with, which is very small and actually can help you to enjoy with your friend a better, more comfortable kind of controller than just using that. But before we start, full disclosure here, this is a sponsored video by FASTSNAIL. They were kind enough to send to us this unit to test it, but as always, what you get in this review is my experience using with no input from FASTSNAIL at all in this review. So what you're going to get in the box is going to be the grip shell themselves, which is really nice. This is actually for a Joy-Con 2 version, plus 2 wristbands and 2 wrist straps, which are meant for the original Switch. Right away, the first thing I noticed was the material. FASTSNAIL says that it uses a kind of a premium rubber with a non-slip matte finish instead of using smooth plastic, and yeah, I can actually tell the difference immediately when you start touching these grips. And yeah, you can feel the difference immediately when you touch this product. It has got a nice textures that helps the grip and keeps your hands from getting too sweaty during long sections, which in my case and my friend, we were using with the extended hours, and we didn't have any problems if the hands were sweating or actually losing grip of this material. So I feel extremely confident using it. Now, the installation was super simple. You just snap the Joy-Con into the grip shell, which is really easy. FASTSNAIL includes also instructions for both Joy-Con versions. For the Joy-Con 2, you just slide and right in, so it's super easy. Now for the Joy-Con 1, for the original Switch, you use the wristband setup. You just have to use one of those adapters that slide in right into the Joy-Con of the original Switch, and also it becomes a little bigger, so that way when you put it in right into the grip, it fits perfectly with no wagon or no room to shake it. Super nice. It genuinely feel more like a full controller instead of just holding two tiny Joy-Cons. I'm telling you, it's a game changer using this instead of using just the Joy-Cons itself. Now here's some little things that I actually really like about these grips. The rubberized texture really does help, especially when your hands are sweaty or during long playing sections, so definitely a good thing. Also, the ergonomic shape gives a more natural controller feel instead of using this little controller like that. Your hands actually rest better and actually reduce fatigue after a while, which is really nice. FASTSNAIL mentioned that's a longer pin design for improving SL and SR triggers responsive, and in my testing is really true. Actually, the buttons felt snappy and consistent. I didn't get those mispresses when you sometimes get with the Joy-Cons alone. There are also 4 small rubber pads inside the shell that keep everything from sliding and scratching, so this was really good because it feels really secure. Now, the only downside about the grips, which is not really a bad thing, but it's actually more a convenience situation, is when you switch between the handheld and undock and dock mode, removing the Switch grip, it could be a little bit inconvenience because you have to take them out, put in a dock, and then take them out and then use it. But however, the comfortable to use that in long sections is way better. If you're going to travel, you don't have to take an extra controller at all. You can just take those grips really small because you can put on your backpack, and when you need to play with somebody, you don't have to have 2 full controllers when you're traveling. So that's a convenience thing, but it's just a little downside that you have to take them out to put in a dock mode if you're going to be switching back and forth all the time. Now, for the compatibility with Switch 2 and also with the original Switch is really nice. For the value, which is, by the way, the original price of these are $29, but are always in a discount, so check it out, the link in the description below, which have the latest discount as well, and then also our affiliate link if you wanted to help and also support this channel, you can go through that link as well. Now for that price, you're getting the 2 grips plus the wristband straps, which is really improved the comfort, and I think it's a solid accessory for anyone who plays handheld frequently. If you only play in dock TV mode and rarely hold the console, maybe less necessary, but for the handheld travel sections, this is definitely a smart upgrade for your Nintendo Switch. So here's my final thought of the FASTSNAIL grips from Switch 2 and Switch original Switch. Actually, after taking a couple of hours playing with this, using this grip right here, you know, and take it to travel with me without extra controller to play with a friend, this is definitely worth it. They upgrade the comfort to play on these Joy-Cons, give you more real controller feel, and also the trigger response rate is really nice and reduce some of the hand fatigue, sleepy issues as well. My only caveat, like I say, you will add a little bulk to whatever you're going to carry in your backpack, but it's not as bad because if you get a full controller, you're gonna have more stuff to put in the backpack. This is really slim and perfect for exactly for especially that you have if you have a big hands or a medium-sized hand. This is not bad at all. So if you're looking for an upgrade that you didn't know that you needed for your Switch 2 hand-up setup, well, this is definitely that upgrade. And if you're looking for another upgrade or accessory that you may need if you are traveling for your Switch 2 or Switch, just check out this video right here with a great capture card and also power that actually save you a lot of space in your backpack, or hit any of those playlists right here for great accessories reviews for streamers and gamers as well. As again, thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next video.